Hi there, here we have the Karbonn A6 smartphone and we are going to do the first boot up and show you also the demo of the SIM card slot and the battery area. So here as you can see we have both the SIM card slots. Here is the micro SD card slot and this is where the battery goes in this way. So you can insert two SIM cards at the same time, and let me just close this panel and boot this up for the first time. So here comes the logo. The touchscreen buttons are actually lit up here. So these are different home screens which you get here. As of now, as we are feeling that the touch is pretty good, it's decent enough. And let me just go to the settings and check out the OS version. So it should be under about phone, and it says Android version 4.0.3. that's Android ice cream sandwich, even though it doesn't look like Android ice cream sandwich and it looks like Android 2.3 or some older version, but this is what the company claims out of the box, and it looks like a customized UI based on which they are just converted few of the or imported few of the Android 4.0 features onto this phone, and they are selling it off as ice cream sandwich phone. So these are the list of applications which you get pre-installed onto this smartphone. This is a low-end budget phone, so you need to make a note that we have the notes application, but this doesn't work with touch. It only works with text, so no point of using the same. Apart from that, you get few other applications like the WhatsApp download, which actually should be downloaded from this Google Play Store. We have the gallery application and few other apps like sound recorder, camera, blacklist number, calculator, search, call log, music, FM radio, and all of these come pre-installed. Apart from it, this is the home screen as I mentioned earlier. Let me just go to the camera application and check out the camera quality. So let's try to capture a picture, but for that first let us just check out the current settings and check what's the current quality. So focus should be on auto, exposure value should be on default, as you can see here. 5 megapixel is the resolution which is set up. It goes down to 300k. Picture quality is on super fine. Brightness, let me just go to the maximum brightness, but that's very high. Let's keep with the default brightness. There are different capture modes. There is also a continuous shot mode, which is quite surprising, because normally this kind of budget phone don't get this kind of features, but this is surprising. We get a continuous up to 7 shot mode, that's the burst mode with 7 pictures captured. Let me just capture a single photo first and then try out the burst shot mode. So this is the picture captured on. Okay, since I have selected the 7 capture mode, it would actually end up capturing 7 shots and then stop. So that's quite surprising, because on the normal other smartphones we have to actually continuously long press on the shutter button in order to experience it, and this clearly shows that the camera is not up to the mark. It's the worst camera I have ever seen, the worst 5 megapixel camera I have ever seen. It looks like a 1.3 megapixel camera capture. As you can see, there are lines, and I cannot even understand that what kind of object was in the background, even though it was clearly a knife here. So the camera is something which is not up to the mark. You shouldn't be buying this phone if you are planning to use it as a camera, considering that the company sells it as a 5 megapixel camera. And apart from that, you get these all applications and widgets onto the phone. And in the next video I'm going to show you the benchmark and also run a few games if it's possible to do the same. So stay tuned on Advices Media and we'll keep you updated. Thank you.